Struggling to figure out where to submit that crucial assignment on Basecamp? Let's eliminate that stress and get your work turned in, on time, and correctly. First, access the correct Basecamp project for your class. You'll usually find it named after the course, like English 101 in this example, or something similar that your instructor has specified. Assignments are commonly located in a few key areas: the message board, where your professor posts instructions, the to-do section for task lists, or most often within the docs and files area. Check all of these places. Within the message board, look for posts specifically mentioning the assignment and its submission details. Pay close attention to the posted deadlines and any specific instructions from your professor. In the to-do section, click on the relevant assignment title. Here, you might find an upload button directly within the task, or further instructions on how and where to submit your work. The docs and file section often has a dedicated folder for submissions, labeled something like assignment submissions. Click into the correct folder. Now, look for a clear upload file button before uploading. Double-check if your instructor requires a specific file naming convention, like your name_assignment. Let's make sure you adhere to this when saving and uploading. After uploading, ensure you see a confirmation message and that your file appears correctly in the designated folder. This confirms your submission. If you encounter errors regarding file size, try compressing your file or converting it to a different format as recommended by Basecamp. And if you are still running into issues, contact your instructor.